So I am in room 302 in Lewis Grand Hotel, and just want to give you a quick room tour. I was in room 502, I want to say a couple days ago, but I don't think I was able to do a video. I haven't checked my stuff. So this is the safe. The closet has some robes in here. 2 robes, and there should be slippers, but I don't see them. Again, the key to control the power for the room. Once you take out the key, it'll take out, I want to say, like about a minute, and then everything will just shut off. You got a nice big mirror here. This little bench. The bathroom is one of the things that I noticed is different from the room in 502. Here we have a tub, and in 502 we didn't have a tub. 402 also didn't have a tub, but the reason why I changed from 402 to 302 was because 302 is a smoking room, and I needed a smoking room. I know that's big for some people. Somebody just asked me on my YouTube channel. So they have smoking rooms and they have non-smoking rooms available at Lewis Grand, and that's a nice plus. Yeah, you have a blow dryer, complimentary, all this stuff here, you know. Sorry, some of my girlfriend's stuff is just laying around, you know. Yeah, so here's the room. Don't mind my girlfriend in the bed, but I want to go watch the Rockets game, and I don't think I'll be able to get back and do the video in time. So that's what happened last time. So here's the television, DVD player. The channels are limited on the TV. Like, I can't watch the basketball game right now. I'm actually going to another room to watch it, or I would have to go to the restaurant and watch it. That sucks. Also, my girlfriend informed me that there's no Cinema One and there's no PBO, which is the Philippine box office channel, and Cinema One is a channel that shows a lot of Filipino movies and Filipino comedies and things like that, and those channels are not available here, so it's a big bummer. My girlfriend was watching TV in the other room as a result of that, so just giving you a heads up. You have a phone there. Sorry again, some of my stuff is just all over the place. The bed is really comfortable. That striped pillow, that's actually mine. I bought a pillow because the pillows have been flat most of everywhere I go. We only get 2 pillows, and I'm a 2-pillow kind of guy just for myself. So I'm pretty sure I could probably ask for a pillow, but that's not my style. I don't like to ask for anything. That's one of the reasons why I kind of don't like staying here too much. So we got this balcony here. Smoking is allowed in the room, but you can smoke outside too. The balcony. You got the pool out there. The pool is very nice. The pool goes as deep as 7 or 8 feet, and that's really one of the main reasons why we were here, to swim in the pool. We didn't get to enjoy it for personal reasons. Yeah, and it's a nice, decent view. 5th floor was nice, but we ended up on the 4th floor, non-smoking, and I bumped us down to the 3rd floor because it was a smoking room. If you have any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section. Please subscribe if you can. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscriptions so I can get my account monetized again. Right now I'm only sitting at 140, so I would greatly appreciate it. I'm more than happy to answer anybody's questions about either what I know of the Philippines, or what I know of these particular places that I've visited, and hotels that I've stayed. So, I mean, aside from that, that's it. This is Ariel Penn signing off from Lewis Grand. Adios.